Welcome back. In this video, we're going to continue the previous practice, solving this quadratic equation by using graphing. To save your time, I already plotted in, and our parabola is right here. As you can see, it's negative x squared plus 2x minus 1. If your equation comes in the form that is not a standard form, please make sure you change it into standard form first. Then you start to plug in and use your graphing calculator. It will show you this graph going downwards. That is because it's negative x squared. A is negative 1. Therefore, your graph gonna facing downwards. Now, different from the previous one, we have two roots, means two x-intercept. This one only has one root. So as you can see here, it says root. It also says extremum. Remember, this extremum is a max, the maximum, because that's the highest point. And it is also the vertex. It is also the root. So one has three rows. Root is what we're looking for. We're going to say the solution to this quadratic equation is x is 1. Now, this is example, you only have one root because you only have one x-intercept. The graph, the parabola, only touched the x-axis once. Let us look at our next example. Our next example is x squared minus 4x plus 7. This time we're going to say no root, sorry, no solutions. Why? Because when we look for solution, we're looking for x-intercept. We're looking for how many times does this parabola, does this graph touch across the x-axis. When it touches 2 times, we'll have 2 roots. When it touches only once, 1 root. Here, it did not touch the x-axis at all. Therefore, we're going to say no root. And if you want, you can click this point. We do have x-intercept because previously we have talked about several times this standard form ax squared plus bx plus c. C always tell you what y-intercept is. It's 7, therefore y-intercept is 0, 7. We can also check our extremum. Our extremum is 2, 3. That's our lowest point on the graph. Therefore, it is minimum value. 2 always tells us where the axis of symmetry is. Axis of symmetry is 2. All right. Now you are seeing all 3 different kinds of examples. 2 roots, 1 root, no root. Happy learning.